Hi, this is Gateford Motor Company and Workshop. Here we have our 2018 68 Peugeot Estate 308. We've got the model right. It's an active. It's one owner's, full service history, 53,000 miles. It's absolutely gorgeous, this one. We start to get these in because crew vans are getting quite expensive. So this has got absolutely everything with it. It's got aircon, it's got cruise control, it's got nav, it's got parking sensors, it's just armrest, leather steering wheel, it's got DAB radio, it's got absolutely everything. Very little light use, got a lovely set of alloys on it, colour coded bumpers. It's a bit dark here today, so I hope you can see everything's alright. So it's got a cover, that's your triangle and everything. It's got a space saver and spare wheel jack and a wheel brace. All this is like brand new, lovely. Loads of room in the back for your dog or your ladders or whatever. Lovely. Just come in. Best colour, black, metallic. It's got its handbook, it's got full service history with it. Cover there, charging points, USB, twin airbags. There could be Isofix in the back. Just double check. Yeah, it's Isofix. Yeah, lovely, really nice. So, it comes with a new MOT, RAC parts and labour warranty, platinum. Part exchange welcome, front fog lights. Finance can be arranged within 2 hours. It's Gateford Motor Company and Workshop. Thanks for viewing.